I'm going to showcase you our integration into Slack so that you make your Slack messages searchable. A very common problem many of us are facing. Slack is a nice tool and we love to use it also as well as needed, but Slack also can become very overwhelming since there are so many messages and so much information is scattered across different channels within your Slack application. So therefore we have this integration of Needle with Slack so that you can just quickly find information within your Slack by connecting Slack to Needle, indexing your messages and using MCP to leverage AI to find information fast and save you time and frustrations of searching through your Slack messages and channels. Because of rate limitations that have been published by Salesforce, so Salesforce is owning Slack, it is not like that you can just automatically create Needle with Slack. There's like a slight setup needed by you as a user, but we have created a tutorial for that here to explain this to you, how this is be done. And I'm also creating, I'm walking you through this tutorial here right now in this video to explain you how you can set up this connector. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us and ask us questions. But this should be actually very clear. We try to make it as easy as possible. As again, I said, due to the API limits from Slack, and we are unable to automate this process for you as we are able to automate this process for you with other connectors. So the first step we have to take here is open Slack apps. So we go to the Slack dashboard here. And if you follow the tutorial, you see it says create a new app. So we click on create new app. And then you see also in the tutorial says in the top right corner, create new app. And then you want to say from manifest. So here I'm going to ask now from where, and we want to say from manifest. And so we have to go to step 4. We want to select our workspace. And in this case, I want to select Needle as a workspace. Then we go to next. So we have selected our next, right? And we want to paste the manifest and name app. So I'm copying over here this manifest. This is JSON. So we are going over here and we can paste it over here. Now we could give it a specific name, however we want to give it. In this case, I call it Needle Connector Marketing Team. And you see here it's kind of set, description, blah, blah, blah. And so we go to next. It's going to tell us that the user is actually asking for 29 scopes. So we can click on create now. And now we should see here after some time, you see here, got it. You see here, I just created this now. This is like one application, Needle Connect for Marketing Team, the app that we have just generated. And as you see here now, we want to go to install app. So 6th step, open the install app tab, click on install and allow. So we want to install this app to Needle. So I'm going to say, yes, I want to install this application specifically to Needle. And then we are getting a token. You can see here, like we accept. We want to copy over this token. And now we can go over here, back to our collection with the Needle, create a connector, new connector, Slack. And here we want to type in the token. So now I have copied over the token. And I want to say which channels kind of I want to follow. So I would like to follow general, tech, as well as maybe marketing in this case. Then I want to give it a name. So I have selected 3 channels, create a connector. And now you see the connector has been created. And what is happening now is that we are going to initialize the Needle instance in the background to actually index the data which is living within this channel. So you see here 46 files. If I go over here to files, connected files, see 10 have been already indexed and 25 are still pending, or 11 are pending and 25 are indexing. So now we have connected all the files. You see 46 files are here connected. And additionally, the Slack tools also have been made available. So you see here are the Slack tools, as well as the classic Needle tools that come by default. So also we have unlocked now this additional Slack tools. And what we can do now is that we can ask questions based on our Slack messages. For example, I can ask what kind of information is in our marketing channel. So you see it gives me an answer. A user asked for a quick outline of how a video should look like for Slack to GitHub integration. It's like a video that I'm going to generate, and I have asked, for example, Uno for some feedback on that in their channel. We had like some humorous interactions, and also a link was shared possibly related to marketing resources. So as you see, it is actually very simple to set up the Slack connector. It just requires like 2 more minutes of your time to actually manually go into your Slack and install an additional application to your Slack channel. This is all secure and verified. No problem with that. The only thing is we have to do it this way because of the rate limitations that have been published by Salesforce, which is owning Slack. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions how to set up Slack with the Needle or run into some issues, you can always send us a message, always ask us how to do it. It's one of the most popular connectors within the Needle collection for a reason. We also love it and use it daily to understand what is going on within Needle, especially when channels and chats get very convoluted. Have a good day and thank you very much for watching. And cheers from here from Jan from Needle. Ciao.